Alright everybody, I'll let Tiffany do most of the talking, but this video just want to show you, we get questions all the time on what are these at the farmer's market. I already cut the ends off this one, but these are just zucchinis and squash. These are summer squash. These are the round ones. We like the round ones because they're a perfect size for making a small meal, and if you want a bigger meal, let them grow up. Now, this is a gold zucchini. Really, this is my favorite, but that's a gold zucchini. And here's just your traditional green zucchini. Same thing. Use them the same way. There's no difference. The only difference is this makes a great size for fried zucchini and squash. So you cut them the same way. Everything's the same. Cut your stem end off. Cut your blossom end off. And then you just slice them how you want to. Now we're going to use these sauteed in a pasta. And we like doing that for lunch. And Tiffany is going to do that. If you want to be very colorful, you can use the different colors. So there's a yellow.
And you can see a lot of people have questions about the seeds in them, and they think that their seeds are huge and hard, but you can see they're very soft and no problem with seeds at all.
Just about the same thing as that zucchini.
Yep.
So, and then this is the white one. This one doesn't feel real good. It may be okay, but it feels...
I think that's the one I like dropped in the field like 15 times because it kept rolling off.
It's beat up. So yeah, it's fine. I was a little concerned about this one. So this one's called one ball. Nope, cue ball. The yellow is one ball. And the green one is 8 ball. I call the green one 8 ball because if you ever played pool, the 8 ball is black. And a dark green zucchini is considered a black zucchini is what they call them. So, and I'm going to show you here on this one. This is even a really big one. But you can see that even at this size, the seeds are still real small.
And it's very tender.
Yeah. So, we will really enjoy this. We use these also as a meat substitute in tacos. For taco meat and so forth. We'll use zucchini as a meat substitute.
And then if you're really feeling it, you can always take the round zucchini, cut the bottom off to where it sits flat if it doesn't already.
Yeah, so this one already sits flat.
Yep, cut the top off, hollow out the inside just a little bit, and stuff it with sausage and cheese and nuts and whatever you want to, and just bake it, and oh, it's so good.
Now, most of your zucchinis taste the same. There'll be a little bit more nuttiness on some varieties versus other varieties. The gold zucchini, however, in my opinion, definitely has a little bit different taste, and that's my favorite. I'm not going to cut this one for y'all right now because I've got enough squash to do our lunch and our supper right here. So I'm not going to waste this. We'll have these for sale at market this week. We've got quite a few zucchinis and squash going, and I'm sure more right now. And if you see this video tonight, me and Tiffany will be doing a taste test video on our gin fizz, and then we will do a taste test on our Thornburns terracotta,
which is one of my favorites.
And then we're going to a little bonus thing here. We have a cross. Doesn't happen often in tomatoes. This is a Thornburns terracotta. That's not a Thornburns terracotta. It's still got that nice terracotta color, but it's a cherry tomato. So we're going to do a taste test on this tonight also. So, spoiler alert, we've already tasted it.
Yeah.
Alright guys, that's it. Just wanted y'all to see that this is just a zucchini and summer squash. Use it the same way you would anything else. This is my size of that I would really like for fried zucchini. That's my size of fried zucchini.
That might be about the size you get for Father's Day Sunday.
Ooh. All right, guys. Hey, come see us at market Saturday. Thank you.